Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Redcliff, Alberta, a small town with big views and a lot of history. Redcliff got its name from the red-colored cliffs that rise along the edge of the South Saskatchewan River. These cliffs, made of exposed clay and sandstone, were a landmark for early travelers in the area. The town is just northwest of Medicine Hat and sits on higher ground, which earned it the nickname the greenhouse capital of the Prairies. Thanks to all the sunshine here, Redcliff became a hub for growing vegetables in greenhouses starting in the early 1900s. Whether you're here to take in the river valley, explore the trails, or enjoy the wide open prairie skies, Redcliff is a peaceful place to stop and look around. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Redcliff, Alberta.